Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is multiplication by using tables. Multiplication is also called as repeated addition. We all know tables help us so much while solving multiplication. So it is very important to learn all the tables to solve multiplication. You all have to learn from tables 2 to number 10. I hope you all remember all the tables. Let us start doing multiplication with the help of tables. Tables are made to make our work easier. Here you can see multiply 4 multiplied by 5. You have to do 4 multiplied by 5. So students, that means 4 multiplied by 5 is number 20. We counted the table of 5 up to number 4 because here we have two numbers 4 and 5. So you can count the table of 4 up to 5 or the table of 5 up to 4. It is up to you. You just have to memorize the table. You can solve it in the both ways. You can count the table of 4 up to number 5 or you can count the table of 5 up to number 4. For example, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. By this way, you got the number 20 and you will write that 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. That's how easy it is. Let's suppose you have numbers like 2 multiplied by 3 and you have to solve this. For this, you all should remember the table of 2 or either 3. You can solve it in the both ways. You can solve 2 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 2. It is so easy, right? So we will first count the 3 up to 2's. 3 up to 2's. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Yes, 3 twos are 6. So the answer is 6. Or you can solve it in the other form by counting like this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yes, 2 threes are 6. But this way also the answer is same. That is very easy to solve multiplication. This is the sign of multiplication. This is the sign of is equal to. The answer we get is called as product. The answer we get is called as product or result. That's all students for today's session of multiplication.